Did you know? Right in your garden, there may be a seemingly ordinary plant growing, but it has miraculous powers to improve health. That is mugwort. With just one simple steam bath, this herb has become the secret to longevity of a 95-year-old Oriental medicine practitioner who has been using this method for decades. To this day, he is still sharp, healthy, and full of energy. Amazing, right? Could such a simple method really hold a huge health secret? Today, Great Tips will reveal to you a natural healthcare tip that is extremely economical and surprisingly effective. Starting in summer, mugwort grows vigorously, is easy to find, and is easy to harvest, and is the ideal time to start your journey of traditional herbal health care. The plant can grow wild or be grown at home. It has different names in each region. What is it called where you live? When harvesting mugwort, choose the freshest, greenest parts. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. If you buy it, remove the yellow leaves and cut off the old stems. This traditional medicinal plant is also known as the king of herbs, containing essential oils, natural organic acids, and bitter compounds. It also contains plant resins and nutrients such as vitamin C. Mugwort is often used in healthy dishes. After harvesting, we start cleaning. Prepare a large basin, add a sufficient amount of salt. Add clean water. Stir well to dissolve the salt. Then put the mugwort in the basin, spread it out, and press down so that the mugwort is completely submerged in the salt water. Soak the mugwort in salt water for about 10 minutes to remove dirt. After soaking, you will see that the water in the basin is cloudy and has many impurities. Use your hands to gently lift and lower it to clean it better. Then, take it out, change the water, and wash it many times until the water is clear and the mugwort is completely clean. This method helps the mugwort to be both clean and safe. Then, drain it in a basket. Where are you from? It's great to know we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Thanks for your support. Next, put it on a clean cutting board. Cut each leaf into small pieces about 3 centimeters. Each time you cut, the herbal aroma will spread. Put the cut mugwort into a large basket. Spread it out evenly so that the mugwort evaporates faster. Let it dry naturally before doing the next step. Now, take some fresh ginger, break it into small pieces to make it easier to clean. Add a little water to wet the ginger. Sprinkle salt on it. and rub it gently with your hands to remove dirt and soil in the grooves of the ginger skin. Because the ginger skin is not smooth, it is easy to get dirty. Use a knife to carefully scrape the concave and convex parts. Then, wash the ginger with water. Change the water and wash thoroughly until the ginger skin is clean, revealing the light yellow core. Put it on a cutting board and slice it thinly and evenly. The hotter the weather, the more you eat ginger properly to help maintain your health. Ginger peel has a cooling effect, helping to balance the hotness of the ginger core, so there is no need to peel it. Then, slice it into thin strips. For ease of eating and to retain nutrients, the thinner the slice, the better. Sprinkle the ginger strips on the prepared mugwort. Use your hands to mix well so that the mugwort and ginger blend well. Each mugwort leaf is covered with ginger strips. Now it's ready. Prepare a steamer, add enough water, and place the steamer on top. Add the mixture of mugwort and shredded ginger. Spread evenly. Cover and steam over high heat. The quick steaming not only helps reduce the bitterness of mugwort, but also helps neutralize the heat. When you see steam rising, turn off the stove, open the lid. The aroma of mugwort and ginger spreads throughout the kitchen. It is really relaxing. Take out the steaming tray. Next, prepare the pan. Heat it gently. Pour in the steaming mixture. Reduce the heat and dry it. Use chopsticks or your hands to stir continuously. Initially, the mugwort is still wet. You will hear a slight sizzling sound. The temperature gradually increases. The water evaporates. The leaves begin to curl. Patiently stir evenly so that the heat spreads evenly, avoiding burning. Gradually, the leaves will dry, shrink, become shiny, and have a stronger aroma. When there is no more sizzling sound, the leaves are dry, slightly flexible. This is almost done. Turn off the stove. Put the mixture on a tray. Spread it evenly to cool quickly and evaporate any remaining moisture. If it is sunny, take it out to dry in the mild sunlight. Sunlight makes mugwort crispier and more fragrant. After 2 days of sunshine, the mugwort leaves become dry and crispy. Check by squeezing gently. If it is easy to crush like dry tea, it is up to standard. If the weather is bad, you can use a low-heat dryer to dry it completely, avoiding mold and damage. Must be dried or dried thoroughly to preserve it for a long time and avoid damage. Prepare a clean, dry, grease-free glass jar. Put the mixture in a jar. Cover tightly to avoid moisture. So you have handmade mugwort tea, no additives. Label the date of making, year, month, specific day. Stick on the lid or side of the jar for easy tracking. Each time you use it, you will know the exact expiration date. This also creates neatness for your handmade tea product. When white vinegar reacts with baking soda, they can effectively remove rust stains on scissors. Now use a brush to clean the scissors. Scrub all sides of the scissors. Dirty, discolored, rusty areas. The stains are almost completely scrubbed away. As you scrub, you will smell a fishy smell. That is the rust smell from the scissors. It is much brighter. The rust stains are almost completely gone. Baking soda and white vinegar react very effectively with each other. Finally, use a paper towel to dry. The scissors are almost as bright as new. After this simple treatment, the scissors are not only sharper but also shinier. If the scissors in your house are rusty and dull, try the above method to Thank you for watching until the end of the video. If you find the information useful, do not hesitate to leave a comment to share your feelings. Like this content? Please click like, share with relatives and friends. And remember to subscribe to the channel so you do not miss the next natural healthcare tips. Once again, thank you for your support. See you in the next video, wishing you good health and peace.